What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to change the bushings of this control arm for polyurethane ones. This is the brand that I'm going to use for this car, for the Lancer, and also I'm going to change the ball joint for this brand right here, and I'm gonna show you how I'm going to do it and how I'm gonna put it in the Lancer. So first of all, I'm going to change this bushing right here for this one. I'm going to use the bolt method for only this bushing. For this bushing I'm going to use a press shop because it's harder because of this steel right here. So just I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it. Sorry, to take out this bushing. So now I'm going to put the new bushing. I'm going to put Teflon tape in it because I don't want it to squeak, and silicone paste to have it lubricated. So the bushing came with his own grease, but I think this is not going to be enough to lubricate the bushing, so I'm going to use my own silicone paste. So now in this clip I'm going to change the bushing, the big one, this one, in the hydraulic press, and you're going to see how that everything works with the hydraulic press. It's easier, obviously, because they are so tight, because of that steel that surround the bushing. So in this part right here, I'm going to change the ball joint for the new one in this press. So now we are going to take off the old control arms. You need to take out this link right here that I show. So the first thing we're going to do is take out this bolt, then this one, and then the ball of the ball joint. I have a friend right here. I asked for help because I wanted to show you this the best I could, to film the best I could the video. So yes, after you take all of those bolts, you only need to take out the control arm like this. And now we are going to put the new control arm with the bushings, but first we are going to grease them in here, the faces. All the faces of the bushing, we are going to grease them, the upper faces and the lower faces, because that it's going to help us to put it more easier, because it's going to slide better with that grease in the holes of the control arm. So to put the control arm, first of all, we're going to put this rear part of the arm, and then we're going to put the bolt in that part, as I'm going to show you. And then we're going to use a pry bar. I think that it's called pry bar in English. I'm also going to show you the pry bar in here. So we're going to put the bolt in this part first, like this, and with the pry bar we are going to push the control arm forward to put the front part in there. Here's the pry bar, and we're going to put it like this in the rear part of the control arm. And as I said, we're going to push the control arm because we want to put the front part in the hole. Then we're going to align the hole of the bolt with a screwdriver. I'm also going to show you that. Here you can see you are going to push the control arm, and we are going to put it in that hole like this, and we're going to put the bolt, but we're going to align the bolt with a screwdriver like we are going to do here for the bolt to enter in that hole. Then we are going to put this part of the ball joint. We are going to align the ball joint with the hole in that part, and with a jack we are going to jack up that part, and then the ball joint is going to press in position, and then we are going to put that bolt, and we are done with that. So here with the jack, we're going to jack this part for the ball joint, and yes, this is how it's going to look when we have everything tight, everything on place. Remember to put the link of the sway bar, this link right here, the sway bar, and yes, that's it for all. I have the video right here of the coilovers. So I hope you like this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next video.